Look at this.
Hi, very nice. P51 Mustang is hitting Messerschmitt.
Awesome transition from trees to buildings.
Nice plane.
You guys ready with your stories? Awesome.
Yes.
I said we have 3 minutes. We'll wait for others, and now 2 minutes to be exact. Jumeria, how's your story going? Umema. Farhana, hi.
Farhana ma'am told her.
Ma'am, I made it.
Yes, Umar, I got your story.
Unless bhai send it. Ma'am, we did
No,
not.
your mother sent it.
Ma'am, we did not send it. We'll tell you today. Yeah. Because
I understand. I'm sorry I'm eating.
it's okay.
I eat every time.
Yes, that's the reason I'm fat.
No, I'm not fat. I ate 2 apples and 1 bun.
Oh my god. Healthy snacking.
Apple is not healthy. It's food.
Apple is healthy.
But it's food. Food and meetha. And bun has cream. Very sweet cream.
Hey, fruits are healthy, okay? Mohammed?
I don't think fruits are healthy. It has sugar. Sugar increase. Mama, what sugar increase is?
Fruit doesn't have glucose.
Which
Fruit
has
doesn't-
natural sugar.
Yes.
Fruits have fructose. They don't have glucose. Glucose is harmful.
Yes.
Glucose is beneficial.
I
The
like
sweet.
strawberry the most in all the fruits.
Ma'am,
I have a
crystal
stone.
Show me. You know where we go to Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani?
Yes,
We
there's
go
so
crazy.
So many
Oh my God.
coffees and
Yes,
lots of
especially-
berries over there.
Very true. What's that called? Blueberry, right?
Yeah.
Shetut, I don't know what they call it. Shetut.
My mouth becomes blue and red.
Yes, I purposely eat that so just to see my tongue turning blue, you know. I still do it.
It's very tasty. Ma'am, Zaina, when I put lipstick with it.
Oh, we used to do that as kids, you know. Remind me, so beautiful. Let's, once this lockdown opens now, let us go for a trip to Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. All of us, Golden Sparrow should go. Yeah!
More nice. The
Yay!
Panchgani is more nice. Traveling
Yes.
in tent and it is
So-
more nice.
You see, Mahabaleshwar is more of nature, and this Panchgani now
Yes,
has
yes.
become a lot of commercial buildings and
When I
hotels
was
have come
small,
up.
I went to Mahabaleshwar. And now we can go to Mapro Garden from Mahabaleshwar.
Yes. And we can have pizza and sandwiches.
Ma'am, the Sharbat wala will tell there are so many bache. If he gives for tasting, na?
Yes. How the stomach gets filled in that only. Oh my god, that's for sample.
Nice.
Okay,
We can buy
anyway,
our things. And there is also jumping. Ma'am, you know, one time I was jumping and there was a kid over there on a trampoline. I was jumping and I didn't remove my specs, and actually my specs fall from, and a kid came
It
and
fell
just
down.
bam.
Oh,
Yeah, he stepped on my specs.
too bad, Spikes. Too bad. You can't even blame him, you know, Ibrahim.
And
Because
अभी
everybody
इब्राहिम
was-
अंदर
Yeah,
Look,
yeah,
Moti.
so
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am, you know, Ma'am Hamdan haven't mailed it to you, so can we discuss, ma'am? We have repaired. We have.
Yes, so we are going to start with the discussion, and I will tell you just like how in
Ma'am,
SDG,
but you will read on the weekend.
just how in SDG we followed certain steps. So I'm going to give you clear guidelines for English as well. Okay, there's not much for you to do. Okay, but still you will be assessed on the story that you've written. I'll show you on what are the aspects that you will be assessed, so that you have a clear idea, and if there is any editing or you wish to change any part from your story, you can go ahead. Yes, is that clear,
Yes.
everybody?
Ma'am, can you wait a second? I want to take my book and come.
Go ahead. Grab your books and pens if you need.
So
or
what
if you
is
have
the
a good
assessment on, ma'am?
Assessment
in
is
English?
on the short story. Okay, so the first thing, see, when I don't disable the chat, they start. है ना? Okay, there you are. First things first, I want you all to submit your stories. Okay, so what I am going to do is, as of now,
to submit my story on Google Class.
that is what exactly I'm trying to address over here. Is I found a lot of students have completed the stories, we've discussed it in class, but they have yet not uploaded it. These are just few names that I have received. These are just few names that I have received for submission. So Mohammed team has submitted. We have Rushda who submitted, and then we have Hamdan and Ibrahim's team who submitted. All right. Also, now that we are on this story, Mohammadi, the story that you narrated in class, did you do something to that story?
No, ma'am. We didn't do anything.
Are you sure? Because this story seems to be very short.
No, ma'am.
It's
We
just
didn't do
two
anything.
paragraphs. When you narrated the story, I think it was quite elongated and with,
Yeah, ma'am, it was long.
yes, the way you narrated it, it seemed quite long, say a page and a half.
Is
But over
there
here, I have only half a page of the story. Why is that? Bacha, this is too short.
Ma'am, it is not short. Ma'am, it is not short. We are seeing from a perspective short because, ma'am, see, the lines are, ma'am, they have written it in a small format.
Okay, so when you read it, you're saying it take more time for
Yeah.
reading. Okay, fine. Got it. Okay. Is Aisha Aga in class?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Okay.
don't know.
Aisha, what I want you to do is, I want you to type your story right now. You have written it in the book? Yes? Open Google,
Ma'am.
open Word document and
Ma'am.
type your story. Can you do that, Aisha? I'm coming, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you stop sharing screen and I will show you?
Yeah, I've stopped sharing my screen. Aisha Aga. Bacha, you have to type your story in Word document
And can I go
and then
drink?
come to me. Now, Yahya and Ibrahim. Yahya and Abdullah.
Ma'am, I have
Abdullah
to
Patel.
I have
yes.
to write my story in the laptop and then email it to myself and then post it on Google Classroom.
Really? No, from your laptop you can do it. Upload it on Google Classroom.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
change your name.
She's using
there
her
is
tab.
no Google Classroom. Ma'am, we can just say it now. We don't.
Ma'am, can you open?
Can we not write it?
Yeah.
We can just say it.
You see, I need a soft copy of your story to compile it into the book.
Yeah.
That's the reason I want you all to submit not a picture of the book in which it is written. I want you to type and send it.
Mohammed Saqib, comb your hair.
So
Ma'am, can you open?
I will show you. Aisha Aga, you are using which laptop or tab or whatever?
I'm
What are you
using
using?
Samsung laptop.
Samsung laptop. ठीक है? See, Aisha, go on Word document.
Ma'am, share screen or like this, like this.
You can share screen. I want to see what you're doing.
Ma'am, can you
I have enabled. Okay. Abdullah and Yahya, go ahead and type your story.
Okay.
Where, ma'am?
Aisha, no. Aisha, listen, don't go on Classroom. Close this tab. Google Chrome ban karo. हाँ. Now, 1 minute. Where is Word document? Who's
ma'am,
that?
I'll have to type it.
Ma'am, tell her to
Yes.
stop to on it.
1 minute. Aisha, stop annotation, beta.
Where is it?
Documents. Word.
Aisha, type it. Search karo.
Right word.
Write Word. Yes.
Word document.
Ah, there it
See,
is. See,
Microsoft
Aisha.
Enter.
Yes,
Enter.
Microsoft Word 2010.
Press
Enter.
it, double
हाँ.
click it.
There it is. Okay. Now Aisha, stop sharing your screen. Over here. ये close कर दो. Close करो ये. हाँ. Yes. Now over here, Aisha, you'll start typing your story. Okay. Now you can stop sharing your screen, Aisha. Okay. Aisha Aga, go ahead, type out your story and call me after you've typed it.
Ma'am.
All right. I'm muting you for now.
Ma'am.
That's your task
Ma'am,
for
now
this
I
class.
have to write it.
Yes. Type
Ma'am,
it.
I'm typing right now.
Yes, Ibrahim and Yahya, go ahead and type your stories. I'm going to send you in a
Ibrahim, no,
breakout room.
Abdullah and Yahya, Baba.
Abdullah and Yahya, I'm going to send you. Yes.
Alfia ma'am, can I tell a story?
I also
1
have
minute.
to be on
1 minute. 1 minute.
Alfia ma'am,
Hold up. How can I listen to so many people?
Alfia ma'am,
Yes.
you told that I could like type the story in Microsoft Word in my laptop and then post it
Directly
on Google
uploaded in
Classroom,
Google Classroom. Yes.
But Google Classroom is not there downloaded in the laptop.
You don't need. You have to go on
You
Google
don't have to
search engine.
download.
You have to go on Google Chrome, and over there you can just type. I will show you how to do that. You just go ahead and type your story first. So I will let Aisha go ahead and type part 1 of your story. Okay. By the time Juveria will narrate it in the class, part 2 and 3. Is that fine? It's okay.
Ma'am,
to work that way.
ma'am.
Aisha, go.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, maybe they should leave the meeting.
No. Aisha.
Ma'am, I was telling that I have a mobile, so I cannot open a Word document.
Abdullah's typing it for you, yeah.
Your
Okay.
voice is so slow, ma'am.
No, Abdullah's typing.
Abdullah is typing. Yeah, Abdullah is typing for you.
Ma'am,
Yes. That's the
His room
convenience
is
of staying in
yours.
one house.
Ma'am,
Abdullah
can
is typing for you, Yahya, and by the time Abdullah is typing, you will take down the instructions that I'll be giving with regard to the assessment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Umar Sharif,
Can me
wait.
and Hamdan continue, please? Okay, ma'am. We want to say our story.
No, you will wait. Okay. Now, students who haven't submitted their story. Humaira is not joined.
Ma'am,
Hamza,
she
Humaira.
Janpujka doesn't come in
Hamza.
English class.
I have a task for you, beta. You saw what Aisha Aga did?
Ma'am.
Yes, she opened Word document and now she's typing her story that she had written in the notebook. You have to do the same thing. Can you do that for me, Hamza?
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead. Complete typing your story and then come back. Okay? All right. Rushda has submitted. Usman.
Alfia ma'am.
Yes,
Alfia
Aisha.
ma'am, should I the heading Zoom it, should I write it, the biggest or should I write it medium?
That's okay. Just type it out. Editing, I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Uh,
Continue with your story,
so we have.
please.
Let's continue with Joveria's story. You guys have typed it out. Now the students who've completed with the submission and the
Ibrahim and
editing part.
Hamdan. Ibrahim and
Yes.
Hamdan.
I want you to submit your stories by tomorrow. Everybody will upload their stories on Google Classroom by tomorrow. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have to ma'am, we have already mailed it to you and uploaded.
No, you haven't uploaded. So you see, I have made a task. I have added a task in classwork. Okay? And in that classwork, I have written summative assessment. Now what I will do is, I'm going to post it. Summative assessment. Sorry. Edit assignment. Okay, I'm going to assign this to you right now. You have to submit, kindly submit your short stories. Okay, you have to go add and you have to upload your Word documents. I will not accept any other form of document. I will not accept pictures. Okay, I want it to be a Word document. Do you understand? Everybody?
I don't have Word document, so what do I do? Ma'am, what do you want
Abdullah
to
is
do?
typing for you.
First,
Yeah, Abdullah is typing for you.
ma'am, you told that everyone should give in. So that's why I was
Every story, okay? My bad.
Team, every team.
story, every team, every story. All right.
What, ma'am? What we want to do it? I couldn't
Ma'am, the
understand.
confuser
I couldn't understand, ma'am.
Yes, because you came in late. So I will repeat myself. Now, right now in class, we are discussing about the short story that we've written, Humaira. Yes, have you written the short story?
Yes,
Where is it?
ma'am. I don't take it that.
Take it. Go. Bring the short story.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I the story, please?
Umar, are you listening to the instructions?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, so you attach your Word document over here and your story comes to me. Okay? It is a summative assessment and I have assigned it to you right now. Okay? Now, the due date is until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, I want all the submissions to happen. Is that clear, everybody? Okay.
Yep.
Now,
Ma'am, can we post it today only?
yes.
The one who submitted also, we need to write in Word document.
Yes. Now, what are the things that you will be assessed on? Okay? It is a 50-mark project, again, for English. Your story should have settings and scenes. Okay? Your story should have character, the chain of events. There should be an opening sentence. Okay? How you begin your story. And there should be a conclusion. There should be a problem and a solution.
The stories which we wrote is okay or we have to change?
Yes. No. You don't have to change. You just have to keep that.
Ma'am, do I have to change my story?
Ma'am, we can change the handwriting in dark and change the color also if we want.
Yes, that all you can do. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
our story is nice. Or...
yes, these are the aspects on which your stories will be assessed. I am showing you on what basis will I assess your stories. Is that okay? Yes? Do you understand this? Okay. Now we will go ahead and listen to the remaining stories, the ones who haven't submitted.
For Juveria's story.
Juveria and Aisha.
Ma'am, a new assignment come.
Usman and Humaira.
Google Classroom.
Yes. Then we have Usman. We have Batul, Hamza, Humaira, Aisha Aga, Yahya and Abdullah, Umar and Anas. Right?
And me also, ma'am.
Well, have submitted now.
But
I have
nobody
your
has.
stories. I have your stories with me.
I had submitted.
Who? Anas did not submit. Umar, your mother sent it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? So now your task will be, I will listen to your story once again in this class, and then you will type it out in Word and you will upload it. Step number 1 for English assessment is submission for stories. Submission of story. Okay, that's step number 1. You have to submit your short story on Google Classroom as a Word document
By tomorrow.
by tomorrow. Thank you, Mohammed. By tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm submitting in the Google Classroom my story.
Word document है वो मेरा.
Okay, ma'am.
Soft copy चाहिए, ठीक है? हाँ. Second task
Ma'am,
would be, remember the character sketch that we made earlier?
Yes.
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do I have to send it again?
Who's that? Mohammed Saqib? No.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am a Sophia.
That I know, Humera. Okay. Remember the character sketch we made?
Yes.
Yes. The way you had to describe. So I want the character description.
The story itself.
The story has, but I want a separate character description that we made before we wrote the story. Why? Because when I give it to the illustrator, to illustrate your scenes of the story, we need to know what the character looks like. Okay, then only the illustrator will be able to illustrate, and then we can make a book out of it.
And we have to put the character description also in the Google
Classroom. Along with your story, you will submit your character description as well.
That only now, or we have to draw a new one, or that
No,
one.
no, don't draw a new one. I want a character description, Ibrahim, not the picture of the character.
Okay.
The description, words.
I have wrote the description and the picture on one page, so I send
That's
that.
okay. Upload both. Click a picture and upload it.
That also in Word or a picture?
No, no, no. Picture will do. Character description. A picture will do.
Ma'am, can I put a picture?
Yes. You can put the picture as well as you can have the description. I want the description. It's important. Okay. Now, are you clear?
Ma'am, but I didn't write the description.
So write it down. That is what the second task is about. Step number 2.
In the story also we have to write the description.
No. No, Ibrahim.
Yeah, you told me that we have to write your.
If you write, it enhances it, but you don't necessarily have to write. Your story is good enough. Okay. We'll start with Juveria, her chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay. Then we have.
Ma'am, tell everyone to mute.
Yes.
Yes.
After Juveria, we have Umar Sharif reading out his story to us. Then we'll have Humaira reading her story to us. All right. We have 3 stories to cover. Batul, did we listen to your story, child? I think we did.
Yes.
Yes,
Last
but it
time
was.
we did na Hassan and that.
Ma'am, we did.
Okay, yes, I remember. Okay, Juveria, go ahead. Everybody mute yourself.
Chapter 2, Evil Eye's Last Chance.
As the title of your story.
No, it's just chapter 2.
Okay.
So Averia and Ashley come out of the cave, and then they start running, And after that, Evil Eye and the owl is following them. And at the front of them, they see a huge mountain, so they climb up on it. Evil Eye and the owl also climbs up on it. And then after that, they come at the peak, and then they don't know how to get down, and they are coming from the back. So they are just worried, and as soon as they were about to catch them, Evil Eye and the owl, so a big eagle comes and then picks Ashley and Varia up, and then takes them down to the ground. Then the Evil Eye and the owl doesn't notice it, and then they fall down. So then they both die, but the owl still remains. Then they start running, and they are safe. And then chapter 3, the land of the jewels. So they come at the door of the jewels, and then they have the key to open it. As soon as they were about to open it, two big yellow eyes stare at them. It was the owl who wasn't dead. And after that, the owl picked them up, and he was about to throw them in the water, but Various pet Goldeny the sparrow takes a poisonous arrow in his mouth and stucks it into the owl's neck. So the owl dies. They all three of them open the gate together, take the necklace, and then they go back home safely. Varia makes herself big again, and then Ashley and Varia live safely.
Wow. Oh my god, it was good. It was good. I love the series of events that fall in place, you know. It's excellent. So, Juveria, you think you'll able to type this out for me and upload it by tomorrow? Yes? Go ahead. Okay. Now we come to you, Umar. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Starstone and Bamba.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay.
One Sunday morning, Bamba and Starstone were playing cricket in the nearby playground. Bamba and Starstone were best friends. Every Sunday morning, they would play cricket in the playground which was near their society. It was a huge ground. On one side of the ground, there were many trees and bushes. Other side, there was a barren where children would play.
Hamza, I want to see you typing, Hamza. Don't sit there, beta. Your story is 5 chapters. You have to type all 5 chapters and upload it. Chalo. And typing is easier than writing. Sorry, Umar. Continue.
One fine Sunday morning, as usual, Bamba and Starstone were playing cricket, and Starstone hit the ball too hard that it went in the bushes. Bamba went into the bushes to find the ball and searched for the ball. The ball was behind. And
Yes,
when
Aisha. Sorry, Umar, 1 minute. Yes, Aisha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha.
What's the spelling of friend?
Friends. Friends. Yeah? Okay. Coming to you, Umar.
When Bamba was picking the ball, he heard some noises. Some men were talking among themselves. When Bamba heard what they said, he was shocked. Those men were planning for bank robbery. Bamba peered into the bush to look at the men. He saw 5 men in masks and goggles and saw weird-looking shoes. Bamba ran to Starstone and told him the whole scene. They decided to go to the police. They ran and reached the police station. Starstone uncle, Mr. Jack, was the police officer. Starstone narrated the whole story to his uncle. Mr. Jack told him there is nothing like that and sent them home. The whole night Bamba was thinking about the 5 minutes. Suddenly, he thought about those shoes. He immediately called Starstone and they researched about their shoes. They found that their shoes are made for wall climbing. They were tired, so they went to sleep. Next day, they got up and read the newspaper and read about the bank robbery. Starstone rushed to his uncle and told about the shoes. When the police came to know about the wall climbing shoes, they searched for the people who bought the shoes. The police came to know 13 people who bought the shoes. They matched the fingerprint of those people with the fingerprint found in the bank. They got 5 people whose fingerprint matched and the police caught them. Those 5 confessed their crime and were put in jail. Mr. Jack thanked Bumba and Starton for this help and praised them for their courage.
Wow! Wasn't this definitely better than the previous one? Like the flow, the smoothness, the events, and the description that he's come up with,
Ma'am,
mind blowing.
The last
ma'am,
story
I have completed typing the chapter 1.
Go ahead, Juveria, chapter 2. Juveria will
Ma'am.
type chapter 3. Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
The previous story was 1.5 page. This story is 3.5 page.
Yes, and I know your mother told me that in your life for the first time in his life, he's written so many pages.
Ma'am,
So that definitely needs appreciation.
Our one chapter covers a whole page.
That's fine, madam. That's fine. It's okay.
So should I email it to myself and then post it on Google Classroom?
No, directly do one thing. You don't have chapter 2 with you, Aisha?
We
I
always
have chapter 2 and 3.
Go
We
ahead,
wrote the
type
whole
it.
story.
Yes,
So
type
I should type the chapter 2
it. Yes.
and Juveria will type the chapter 3.
No. You only type chapter 3 now. Okay.
Okay, the whole
And
story.
then that Word document uploaded on Google Classroom. So your task will be done
so
right now. Yes.
Ma'am, did you get my submission?
Yes, I got your submission and it's wonderful. You've maintained that. Umar, excellent. I love your work. Any other opinions about Umar's story? How did you find it, or certain changes that needs to be done? People around? Yes, Muhammad, Juveria, Humaira, Batul. Good. Juveria says good. Okay. Batul, what do you think about his story?
Ma'am, fantastic.
Oh, Humaira says
Perfecto.
fantastic.
Ma'am, perfecto.
Array, excellent. Good. Hamdan likes it. Okay, thumbs up. All right. So we come to you, Humaira, now. Come on. We want to hear your story about Sophia.
Elephant, bird, and Sophia.
Nice. Go ahead. Read it out first.
One day the Sophia go to an forest and see the elephant bird. An elephant bird is very tall, very big bird.
Elephant bird. Is this one creature? Mixture
Yes,
of
ma'am.
elephant and bird?
Yes.
Okay. Where is your story? I want you to read it.
Ma'am, I put it in Google Classroom in next day.
No, I did not get anything.
Ma'am,
Are you
I'm
sure?
putting.
Put right now. Chalo.
The elephant bird is very not dangerous. It is medium. Every people knows that elephant bird is very dangerous, and the elephant bird is not dangerous. One day, Sophia go to in forest and see the elephant bird. He also had not friends in my story, and he see the elephant bird, and there was one lake there. Elephant bird is right side and Sophia is left side. And the Sophia thinks,
Humaira, upload the story, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know where you want to
Google Classroom पे upload करो. I'll read it out for you.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
You have the story in your book, Humaira?
No, ma'am, I am uploading.
Google Classroom पे जाकर upload करो submission में. Okay?
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
read it out for
But
you.
she has not typed it, so how can she upload it?
She'll upload a picture maybe. Okay, coming to you, Usman.
My story's title is Into the World of Video Games.
Okay, that's interesting.
One day, Skylander was sitting and playing games on his iPad. Suddenly, he got sucked into the iPad and got into a game. He thought he was dreaming, but when he saw his friend playing and he could hear his voice, so he freaked out. And he went with him to play. But in the journey, he got attacked by many monsters and dragons, which is bad dragons, as Skylander is only a dragon. So he was quite powerful himself.
Okay, Skylander is a dragon who plays video games.
Yes, ma'am.
And he got sucked into the iPad. Okay, that's interesting. Go ahead.
He was flying through one day when he was building his home in the video game. Night fell and all the monsters came out. He couldn't do anything because it was night and his power was drained. So he just went to bed. In the morning, when he came back to destroy the monsters, he saw they were already on fire.
Okay,
So
Usman, I'd like to stop you over there. Give me a minute. Yes, Aisha.
What's the spelling of could?
Could, C-O-U-L-D.
C-O-U-L-D.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Usman. Continue.
He followed the zombies by seeing where they were going to attack. When he reached there, he secretly hid and saw another dragon waiting for him with an egg. He went after he had killed all the monsters. He went there, and the dragon gave him the egg, and he said, "Keep this safe, or else you might or else you might die." So he kept it. He went to his house and hid it in a secret place. One day, he went to sleep in the video game, but when he woke up, he could not find the egg, and he went out to explore where the egg had gone. And he was supposed to go to the tree, but he thought it was a trap.
Like this is okay.
Yes. Yes, Aisha.
And got misled. He thought it was, but he was supposed to follow the trail, and he thought it was a trap and got misled. So he went around searching for the egg, and he met that old dragon. He told him what had happened, and and when he said that, the dragon started dying out. That means it was dying. He said, "What have you done? Now the whole dragon kind is going to die." So he swiftly he quickly went to find his base. Now he was not foolish enough to not check the trail. So he checked the trail, and secretly he saw many other monsters, and their king is sitting there.
Okay. Usman, I would like to stop you there, Usman. I just want to know how long do you think your story is? How many pages would you count it as?
Mom, 2 pages.
2 pages. Okay. Now, I like the idea and the plot that you have in mind with the dragons and the zombies and a lot of adventure happening there. But I did not find the flow in the story.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to say something. This story is, there is Power Rangers. What it is, this story is the same. There is a whole same story like this in that Power
Okay.
Rangers episode.
Anybody else has a different
I
opinion?
was seeing that he was stopping in between, and he was seeing in the screen and just telling. So maybe he's not written it down.
That I don't know. Okay, so I would want you to just get a flow in the story. You know how each and every event happens, how the dialogues is taking place. All right. This I could only understand the plot and the characters and the theme of the story. There was no, I mean, I don't know. I couldn't find it comprehensible. Others, what do you think? Could you understand?
I mean, it was interesting, but we could not.
Yes,
understand.
definitely. The topic is interesting. The characters are amazing.
Was not
The
described.
topic is so interesting. The world of the video games into the
Right,
world.
right. It started off very well, but then
Ma'am, it's a descript. When you describe,
yes, it's not described properly. I agree with you, Man. Yes.
And he was
Anybody
just
else?
saying he said that,
Mhm.
and grammatical mistakes are there.
Oh, really, Ibrahim? No. Grammatical errors, I'll check. Okay, you don't have to check that. All right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but what about like I said, there's a full episode of that. So it's like Power Rangers.
So how about you
the-
change it a little, Usman? Yes.
And
The
because
plot,
Power Rangers,
maybe let it not
mostly
be
everyone sees
watches it. That's right. It shouldn't seem like you've copied it from somewhere, right? It's your own work, your own creation. That is what the exact point is for making it into book, because you guys are working so hard. I really want the world to see your work. Okay, we might upload it on Amazon, the book. Yes, so people should not read the story and think कि अगर ये तो इसमें से copy किया गया, like how one of your classmates just found out. It's reminding them of a Power Ranger episode. That shouldn't happen, you know. So
Food
work on
Perfect
the
versus
story.
Power Ranger.
Work on it, Usman. By tomorrow, I want your submission. Yes?
Ma'am, you will really upload it on Amazon?
Yeah, what do you think? I'm talking in the air or what?
Ma'am, what did you
Obviously.
say? You are going to upload it on Amazon?
Yes, after the book is compiled, it's going to go on Amazon.
Ma'am, we can also
Our
buy
books
it,
will
ma'am.
go on Amazon?
If someone is ready to buy it.
Yes, as an e-book. We'll put it for free.
Children bookshelf, ma'am.
For money.
On children
Why?
bookshelf.
Yes.
Yahoo!
Ma'am, what will be the book's name?
Will be famous, ma'am. Illustrated.
Y'all tell me.
Can't
Y'all
you
tell
write
me.
illustrated by?
in a library. Ma'am, on the book cover you write short stories written by Ryan.
Writians.
Ma'am,
Short stories written by Ryan.
the Golden Sparrow.
Umaira, did you upload the story?
No, ma'am.
Where are you? Show me your face. I want to see you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I don't think she has prepared.
And she has not written also, I think so.
Okay, you keep your opinions to yourselves, okay?
It doesn't.
I'm going to trust Umaira on this. When she said she's written it, I'm going to trust her and believe that yes, she has done her work. And she's told me that she's uploading it on Google Classroom right now. And I'm waiting.
Can I ask something to Hamdan, please?
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
go
wait
ahead.
5 minutes.
Hamdan,
wait
did
for
you
5
open
minutes.
after the
Ma'am, I can't
after
open
the
the Google Classroom. That's why I can.
Yes, Umaira,
I
go
can't
ahead. I'm
hear
waiting for your
Hamdan.
child. Don't worry. I'm with you. Let
Then,
them say whatever they
you
want.
wrote the story and you mailed it to the Alfia ma'am. So did you write down illustrated by
No, that is not illustration, Ibrahim. That's written down by. Okay, that's written by Hamdan and Ibrahim. Illustration, we'll call somebody. That person will do illustration, design the book cover. Tell me the name. What name do you want for the book?
Dawood uncle.
The Raitians. The Raitians.
Dawood uncle. You want to name the book as Dawood uncle?
The book by the Raitians.
No, the book cover name will be short stories written by Raitians.
Short stories written by Raitians from Golden Sparrow.
मैम बीच में इतने सारे लॉन्ग स्टोरीज रहेंगे उसका क्या?
That we'll put now. Don't worry. that is what we are trying to tell the readers. That short stories. But then they start reading.
Ma'am, we should mention it short stories.
Stories
by
written by Raitians.
Okay. How about?
Ma'am, don't write like this. Short stories by Raitian.
The amazing book by the Raitian.
Stories written by Raitian from Golden Sparrow.
The amazing book of adventures by Raitians.
Okay, Juveria, what do you think?
The amazing book.
World of Golden Sparrow.
Jewelry, ask your father.
The book world of the Golden Sparrow.
Ma'am,
Story world.
like,
Amazing world of Gumball changed into
Oh,
world
are you Juveria? I didn't know. The one with the bandana? Yes. Yes, Juveria.
Juveria.
Arey, unmute yourself.
ma'am, we can keep something from W so it will match with right. So like, or else you can do.
Okay, I'll take that suggestion. Something with W that describes the story.
Ma'am, can you take my suggestion? The amazing book.
Ma'am, like,
I'll take, don't worry. Yes.
The amazing book by the adventurous
Stories
writer.
written by Raitian.
Inside the story, names whoever whoever wrote Can the I tell? story. Like suppose it was Umaira's story. So you will
Ma'am,
before the story
stories
starts, you can write story made by Umaira, and then all the stories like that before the story starts.
Ma'am,
The world of stories. The world of stories. The world of stories.
ma'am, the story
By Raitians. Children of Golden Sparrow.
ma'am,
Umar,
ma'am, can I say,
yeah.
ma'am, stories for children and made by children.
Oh, stories for children made by written by children. Okay, I get what he's trying to say.
Ma'am, so what is your
Stories for kids by kids. Yes.
very kiddie, ma'am. Kiddie.
Keep quiet. Rushda, how
Very
about you?
bachupify.
What?
Ma'am, you know Rushda's
Your
story
opinion.
is a novel type, ma'am.
Ibrahim, keep quiet.
So, ma'am, we should not write the name.
Ibrahim Rizwani. Rushda, go ahead and speak. He'll keep on chatting. That's Dadima for you.
I don't know.
Ma'am, you know now my
Think,
birthday is
think.
coming and you never gifted me the comic book from 1
Oh,
year, ma'am.
when
I'm
is your
waiting.
birthday? When is it? Tell me, I've become Bhulakkad. Fast.
Forgot. I will not.
29 July.
Thank you.
Yay! Yeah.
ma'am,
Mind your
Okay.
manners.
ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
ma'am, we can keep warrior rights super storybooks.
Or
Warrior rights super story.
warrior rights. Okay.
Super storybooks.
Ma'am,
Warrior rights super stories. Storybook or
ma'am, I can Sonic Super Story.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can
Ma'am,
keep.
can we
Atul,
play
we can
Atul,
keep
how about you?
experiment. Ma'am, we can keep Avengers, right?
Avengers is already
Adventure-
taken. Avengers is already a
Adventure-
copyrighted
No,
product.
we
We
should
cannot
not
use it
include
as ours.
Avengers in this Bachu story. Avengers.
Listen.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Adventure. Adventure writes children's book.
Ma'am,
No, but the theme was not adventure, na beta. There are so many different themes. Batul, what about
Yeah,
you?
all the themes include one thing, no adventure.
One is the treasure one.
There are different themes, bacha.
dimension of imagination.
Yes, there's imagination. It's not only adventure. Yes, Batul, what do you think? What are your suggestions?
Ma'am, but in imagination there is adventure.
Okay, we'll see. Adventure stories by rides.
Ma'am, mix up stories.
Jumbled and mixed up and complicated and nice stories.
And stories for kids by
The elephant bird I can
Stories
upload
of
in
kids
my
by
Google Classroom.
And
You
write
uploaded?
every word in the dictionary and say
Hamza, this is
stories by
not
rights. Like amazing,
for kids.
every
Hamza.
describing.
My
Hamza,
Google
this-
Classroom is not
I
open.
know.
That's why my daddy's laptop, I don't know where it is in Google Classroom.
Ma'am, these stories
Ma'am,
are not for kids. It's for
Upload it
everyone.
later. Yes, Aisha, going good, beta. Going good. Go ahead, keep up the good work.
Ma'am, but why are you writing?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, these stories are not for kids.
Ma'am, can I say?
Are you not kid? Are you not a
Ma'am,
kid?
can I say?
No, ma'am, it's for everyone.
Okay. Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, can I say 15 stories for everyone?
50. But it's not even 50 stories. Okay.
Ma'am, it is 15.
We should not include maths in this.
Oh, don't say that.
How-
Batul, I want to hear from you.
Ma'am,
Come
ma'am.
on.
Ma'am, how many stories are there total?
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am is very poor in maths. You
Five.
should not ask her.
No, she can count. She knows how to
6,
count.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ma'am, you know vitamin D. You should take help from
Okay, 11. Ma'am, best 11 stories.
our story now.
Ma'am, best 11 stories written by Writians.
Ma'am, I've got a name.
Go ahead. 11 best stories. I'll take it down. Okay.
Best
The dimension of imagination.
But 10 stories.
Ma'am, best 11 story for kids.
You'll go into
Not
another.
for kids, for everyone.
Anytime
Stories for
story.
Okay. I can't understand a word. One person talks.
Anytime,
Rushta, how
every
about
time
you
stories
speak?
for kids.
Please,
Anytime, every time
ma'am, mute
That was
everybody.
my idea, Hamdan.
Anytime and
stories for kids.
Anytime stories.
Ma'am, mute everyone and whoever will raise hand, whoever raise hand then.
you got it. Okay. Rushta, tell me. I wanted to listen to you, but I couldn't. Okay, her video stopped. All right. Any other
Became a
suggestions?
Statue of Liberty. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay. Any other suggestions? So I have amazing book by Wrights, World of Stories by Wrights, Stories for Kids by Kids, Stories for Kids by Writians, Warrior Wrights Super Story Book. Okay. Adventure Stories by Wrights, 11 Best Stories by Wrights, Anytime and Everytime Stories by Writians.
Love the warrior one.
Ma'am,
That's the best. Warrior super sonic something. You
Best 11 best
stories by kids. Stories for kids by kids is
ma'am,
the best one.
the one
Ma'am,
Juveria. That one, ma'am.
By kids.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
one Juveria.
Stories for Kids by Kids.
Ma'am, I like the warrior.
Okay, don't worry. I am not leaving it up to you. I was only taking suggestions. I will have the final decision.
Yeah, ma'am.
How about
Yeah, ma'am,
you
please
should take a
follow.
vote. Best stories for
Take
kids.
a vote, online vote.
Ma'am,
Mute
That I'll
everybody.
do with my team. I'll do it with my team. Okay, we'll decide on
Ma'am,
which
11
suggestion is the best.
Ma'am,
And thank you
11
for showing
best
us your
stories
pretty
for
eyes,
kids.
Hamdan. Show me your cheeks.
Bye bye. See you.
Okay, now, yes,
Ma'am,
Hamza.
11 best stories for kids.
Okay, I get it.
Now, did
Continue.
you type
Those who
your
are
story?
those who are typing the work, continue. As of now, in the Google Classroom, I have received only Rushda's story up till now.
Ma'am, please open.
And my story too.
Now, ma'am, please.
Huh?
Ma'am, you received my story also.
Not on Google Classroom.
Ma'am, you only showed us Mohammed's story.
That is not Google Classroom. That is not assessment. Summative assessment के अंदर फिर से
Okay, ma'am,
upload
I will
करो.
send you after 5 minutes.
Yes.
After the class, I will send you.
You have to send the character. Ma'am, you didn't tell the third instruction. Only you told it the character description.
It
What
should
is
be in the Word document. So there were only 4 things I had to tell you about. Submission of short stories should be done by tomorrow. It should be in the form of a Word document. Third,
It all came in one, ma'am.
yes, you need to put a character description as well. And fourth, I had to
The
show you
story-
the rubric.
Ma'am, what is the rubric?
The marking scheme that I showed you. Okay.
Marking scheme. What, ma'am?
The table that I showed you, setting, scene, character,
Oh,
event.
ma'am, I was
topic.
telling that character description we don't have to write on the story and mail it to you. Now we have to post it in the Google.
Separately. Yes.
Can we read out our story now?
No, I will read. I have read it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am,
and it is
Aisha is
wonderful,
doing
don't worry.
multitasking. She's attending the.
I know. She's attending the class and typing
share it.
together.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes.
ma'am, what you tell the box one? What are you telling the box?
That is not for you. Yeah. That's for me. I just wanted to show you on what basis you will be assessed.
Rubruk.
Umaira Qasim,
Ma'am,
I will
can
take
you
the
enable
last
touch
word
screen
from
so
you
I
and I'll
can
end this
share?
class. Come on.
Bye bye. See.
I is our last word.
ma'am, please open the teacher and then to
You want to share the screen?
Thank you.
of my elephant bird story
Okay.
of character.
Okay. Go ahead. Umaira. Yes, Batul. Umar, you know what's the best part? When you do this, I can see who's doing it. Umar Sharif.
Ma'am, I know.
Oh no.
Ma'am, you can see.
Yes, I can see your elephant bird and it's a lovely character. Umaira, the only thing I want is I really want you to write a story and send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
Can I share screen and show the story once?
No. But I have read your story. Why are you so...
मैम हम लोग को सबको दिखाना है हम लोग ने इतना अच्छा बना दिया उसको।
Yes, they will appreciate once it gets into the book, okay? Batul, you had something to say. You had raised your hand, child.
Imagination story by right. You will.
Yeah, Ibrahim, last time. Yes, Batul.
Imagination story by right.
Imaginative stories by right.
Imaginative.
Imaginative. Take it. Okay. Here we end our class. Have you understood the English assignment? I
Yes,
take it as
ma'am.
a yes from you. Just in case any problem, you know what to do. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.